Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Tricky Solution channel, and today we are going to write a simple program which is to find the sum and the average of two integers. So in this program, the first we have to read the two integers from the user side, and then we have to perform the sum. After performing the sum, then we have to perform the average. So the average formula is the the sum divided by number of elements. So let's do this program. So here I have to mention the first the first is variable. So declaring the variable is int a comma b comma sum, and after that I have to declare the average variable. The average is a float type because the average is any kind of value. Either it is a either it is integer value, or either it is decimal value. So we have to declare it as a float. So we are in a safe side. That is, we have to declare it in a float data type. So float average, and after that we have to read the value of a and the b variable. So print f enter the value of a and scanf for storing or for getting the value of a and percent d. After that I have to put the variable a. Sorry, I have to put the variable a with the ampersand sign, and after that I have to do it for the variable b. So let's copy this and run it below. So this is for the variable b. So I have to make it as a b, and let's do the sum of this two variable. So sum equals to a plus b semicolon, and let's perform the average formula also. Let's perform the average below the sum. So the average of is the sum divided by 2, because the two variable we have, the one is a and two is b. So we don't have to write like a plus b, because we have already done the sum of a and b. So we have stored the a plus b in some variable, so we can directly write it as a sum variable and divided by 2, because this is the two number of element. So after writing the formula, so we have to print it. So the printf the sum slash n sum of percent d and percent d. So the first percent d, it store the value of a, and the second percent d, it store the value of b. So don't confuse. And is percent d, means the first percent d stores the value of a, second stores the value of b, and the third percent d is store the result of a plus b. So that's why we put it and after that we have to mention the variable as well. So a comma b comma sum. So and put the semicolon, and let's do it same as for the average. So slash n average of %d and percent, no, we have to put it like average is average is no that put it the same as, let's copy the line and paste it the same as, yeah, the average of %d and %d is %d, so the a b and here I have to put the average variable, and after that I have to put the semicolon. So hope it is correct, and let's run the code and check it is correct or not. Save the program, and yeah, it is correct. So let's run the code and check. I have mentioned the return 0 before expecting, yeah, something gone wrong. So print f, yeah, here I have to write the getch function, not a return 0, getch. I hope it is correct, and yeah, it is perfectly fine. And then let's run the code. Yeah, getch before I missed some average printf. In printf I have done, so let's make it as average is, and let's put average variable only. Okay, so hope it is correct. So yeah, not it is perfect. Average, I have missed something. Oh, let's, because I have to make it as a, let's do it. Yeah, it is perfect, and I have to make it as a float variable first, and then a plus b. So I think it is correct. Mm, yeah, check it once. Something went wrong, but I unable to get int a comma b comma sum float average, and after that I have enter the masses, then scanf, then then in sum a plus b average equals to float a plus b, print sum of %d and %d is %d e comma, yeah, here I have to mention the %f, not a percent D. Yeah, this is the problem. So I think the error is resolved, not 8. Hmm. Yeah, here I have put the double quotation, that's why. Yeah, I think this is the perfect. Yeah, so let's enter the first value. I have entered the 10 and second is 15 and the first I have got the sum of 10 and the 15 is 25 and the average of 10 and the 15 is 12.5. So it is correct and we are able to got the correct answer through this program. So this program which may help you to do the average of n number of variables and n number of elements. If you want to get the average of 10 variables, then put it as a plus b plus c plus 2 tenth number of value, and let's do it. You will able to got the you will able to get the correct answer through this program. So hope you like the content, and if you like the content then do like, share, comment and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you.